Hey, what's up, guys? Right here, boy Stevo with another video. Thank you for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate you guys follow my videos, follow my journey with my two Mustangs. As you guys seen before on my previous video, I just dropped off my Gen 2 Coyote with my tuner down in Huntington Beach. So he's gonna get a tune, install a pro charger, do all that good stuff, and hopefully I get it back in a few days. I'm excited to see what the numbers will be and how the car will run after the pro charger, so stay tuned for that. But today I have an exciting event. Today I'm racing one of my homies and my 3-valve Mustang S197. Yes, the first race of my 3-valve. So let's see how that goes. My homie just got a Audi. I'm not sure what kind of Audi. We're gonna go find out right now. It's kind of late right now, so we're trying to stay, take some precautions, traffic, cops, stay away from drama, trouble, so we're doing it kind of late, so let's go see what's up. All right, guys, so as you guys see, it's kind of dark. Well, it's nighttime. I have my 3-valve warming right here. I know you guys could barely see it, but let's get to the meetup spot. So we're going not too far, right here close by to we're going to a close eating out spot, just in case. Let's see if I have the goodies. I got the goodies. We're ready to go. Let's get to it, baby. So we're just gonna go see what's up with my car and his car. See who's kind of fastest. My car's stock pretty much. I haven't really done nothing to it. I recently just got it not too long ago, so I've been with the car for like 2 months literally, so not too many months, but still good enough. I have that manual transmission. It's a 5-speed 4.6. I know a lot of people talk shit about these cars, to be honest, but it reminds me of my Gen 1 S197 I used to have. The interior is really the same, and it also reminds me on my Fox body I used to have as well, because of the color of the outside. I used to have a baby blue Fox body Mustang, so it's kind of like a mix of both. So the outside reminds me of the Fox body, the inside reminds me of my Gen 1 S197. So we're gonna get to the meetup spot, like I said. We're gonna do a little pool right here. I'm lucky to live near a tunnel, so let's get some. Believe it or not, this car has some fucking balls, my boys. So yeah, let's get to it. Little quick drive. I feel like it's a 5-minute drive, not too long. It's down the street, so stay tuned. Ready for that race. Okay, guys, so we are arriving to the location. About to meet my boy right here. Is with the Audi when they were at. Oh, my boy right here with the Audi. Pulling up next to him. Kind of wanna park right here in the light. Check out both the cars. See what's up. The Audi right there, my boy. Park real quick, nothing crazy right here. Alright, let's go see what's up. Let's go say what's up to my boy right here. Pop my hood to show you guys, my car's stock, no games, no nothing. Oh shit, Shit. My boy, what's up? How are you? Chilling or what?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you been here or what? For a minute?
Cool 20 minutes, all right, though.
Cool. Yeah, bro, I'm just getting here, bro. What's up? Everything
ready,
good or what?
ready,
Ready or what? Yeah. Fuck it, bro, let me pop my hood, bro. You wanna pop your hood? Yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so pretty much stock 4.6. And some, not even the colder intake, bro. We got, you can see stock headers right there. Stock everything, bro. Stock everything. Pretty much. Jeez. About 4.6, and then we got my boys right here. It's an Audi QUATRO. What is it, bro? Audi
TT QUATRO Mark 1.
Jeez.
2001.
Let's go.
New speed short rim intake and forge valve. You can't see it, but it's in the back.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
It doesn't really do much. It's just for noise. Stock downpipe, stock secondary cats, and stock mufflers.
Cool. Yeah. There you go. Got my boy right here with the Audi. Nice clean car, bro. To be honest. That TT performance. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna get to the business. We going for what? 40 roll, 50 roll, 60?
Let's do 50 and 60s.
50 and 60? Alright, so we do a 50 roll and then we're gonna do a 60 roll. Just no basic shit. We just honk 1, 2, 3 and then we just go. We could do it with the hand as well. 1, 2, 3. Probably not too far, bro. Just down
to Mexico, bro.
To Mexico. Later, to be honest, you know. Alright. Well, stay tuned, guys. We'll be right here. Alright guys, we're all ready for that takeoff. Going to Mexico tonight.